Hi, this is Ajay Jangid in this video and you are watching Jogi and You. In this video, we will solve an important question which is a nested radical infinite series. Here we have 6 in the form of nested in the sign of radical, or we can say root 6 under root 6 under root 6 till the infinite. You will find many type of questions and videos related to this infinite series on the internet, but none of them teaches you the basic things which should be known for the clearance. Tricks won't work all the time. So you should know the proper way to solve this. So you will find maximum proper solution in this video. But before moving forward, if you see a line written here, why the value 0 will be rejected? Actually, we got two answers here. One from the trick and second is 0. But the thing to know here is why the 0 will be rejected and why we took only one value as the answer. So for that, watch this video till the end without skipping any part, else you will miss any important part of the video. By the way guys, I have a great opportunity from the Unacademy for you, which is Unacademy Ascent. It's a championship in which the students from class 6 to 12 can participate totally free. Actually, it's an online test and will be held on January 10th. And the winner prize is scholarship of worth 5 lakh rupees. Any student can participate in this championship because it's free. It's totally free. It includes the whole NCERT course of science and maths. It will help you to prepare for your annual exam, so give it a try. But the question is, how to enroll in the Unacademy Ascent? Download the Unacademy app from the Play Store or App Store, or you can visit the website. If you are a new user, then register on Unacademy, or you can log in to the Unacademy app or website and select your goal and go to the free classes and test series tab and prepare for your test. All the best for your test. So let's get back to the question. So firstly, let's carry the number here, which is a repeating number with nested radical sign but without any plus and minus. Let's keep trick aside and learn the correct method, and for solving this, you should know about quadratic solution. So let's recall this. Here, I'm presenting you a standard form, a particular form of quadratic, which is ax square plus bx is equals to 0. And if you see, there is no constant number here as c. X square is a variable, x is also variable, and coefficient in the form of a and b, but c is missing. Let's solve it. There's x in the both side, so let's put the x common. So once, keep this x in the left and transfer the whole bracket on the right side below and finish it. 0 upon bracket is equal to 0, so x is equal to 0. And in the second value, keep this bracket here and transfer the x to the right side, so only bracket is equal to 0. So our final solution will be like this. X is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus b upon a. So if you understand this, then we can solve this type of questions with a correct method easily. And now in this question, we cannot find the value of it. It's impossible because we cannot find the exact value of any infinite series because we are not Ramanujan. But we are here to solve it, so how to do it? For that, I'm giving this a unknown value. So let x is equals to root 6 under root 6 under root 6 till the heaven. Let's suppose this as x. And if it's x, then what's the square of x? The square will also same. The left side of x will be x square, and on the right side by squaring, one radical sign will be cancelled and 1/6 will come outside the root. But the series is still same under the root. So look clearly, this red portion and the value of this red x is same. So just replace the x on the place of this red portion like this. Transfer the left side to the right side. X power 2 minus 6x is equals to 0. And took the x as common, so this is the same form we did before. Write x is equals to 0 one time and write x minus 6 is equals to 0 one time. So solve this, transfer minus 6 to the right side. So our final solution is x is equals to 0 and x is equals to 6. Now the main question is, every teacher says that 6 is the answer. Even the solution of tricks comes same, but you got two answers here after assuming x, and mathematically you can't deny the other one, 0. So why the 0 will be rejected? And for that, firstly we have to find that why only one answer will be used from these two answers. And the answer of this is See the left side, we assume x. X means x power 1 and x power 1 is a linear polynomial, and the solution of linear polynomial is always one solution. The root is always single. We can't consider values more than 1, and that's a mathematically proven fact. If there was x power 2 here, then we have two solutions in plus and minus. And if it was x cube, then we have three solutions. But we have x power 1 here, so the answer will be 1, I mean single. So only one answer will be selected. But the question is still same, why the only 0 will be rejected? And one more thing, look, if we had something in minus here as 0 and 6 in the plus, then why would we reject the answer of minus? Because if we calculate a value of any one root, and if the value under the root is positive, then only absolute value will be used, or you can say the principal value, which is always positive, and this is by definition. Let me explain you this betterly. Let's take a single root 6, and the value of root 6 is 2.44948. Now use one more 6, then value will be 3.83365. The first value was 2 point something and the second is 3 point something. Let's add one more 6 and the value is 4 point something. The value is increasing as this number of 6 is also increasing. Let's take one more 6, then the value will be 5 point something, which is continuously increasing toward the 6. And if we calculate this till infinite, our answer will approximately 6. And 0 is going to cancel anyhow because this is a positive value and greater than 0. So only 6 will considered as answer. I have told you all the possible conditions, what to select and why to select. So if any of you who wants to write down the whole process can write down by pausing the video. And now let's talk about the trick. In the question we have nested radical form in which we have 6 in repeated. And the answer of this type of question is the same number repeating in the question like 6 is repeating in this question. So the answer of this question is also 6. This trick is very easy, but you should know the original method also because you can't use trick in the written exam. And if you do, you will get 0 marks. And now I have a question for you which is 18 in the nested radical sign till the infinite. Solve it and comment down your answer in the comment section. So friends, if you do like my videos, then share it with your friends, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and yes, don't forget to press the bell icon else you will miss such more videos. So friends, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.